Hey everyone, welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. If you're drawn to rare plants that make a statement, few houseplants turn heads like the Philodendron White Princess. A true gem in the aerial world, dressed in painterly strokes of crisp white against deep emerald leaves. This is not your average philodendron. White Princess is a hybrid cultivar and it's prized for its highly variegated foliage. Each leaf is a surprise, some with delicate speckles, others with bold waves of pure white or even full half-moon patterns. Occasionally you'll spot hints of soft pink on the petioles or new growth adding to its ethereal vibe. But here's the thing, this plant doesn't just grow beauty, it earns it. It's slower growing than its cousins like Philodendron Pink Princess and more unpredictable in its variegation. That's part of the allure. It keeps you watching, waiting, and celebrating every new leaf like a small miracle. In nature, philodendrons are climbers, and White Princess is no different. While it can be grown as a bushy plant in a pot, giving it a moss pole or totem will encourage vertical growth and help it produce larger leaves with more striking variegation. As it matures, the stems can develop subtle reddish coloring, a quiet nod to its arabescence lineage. This plant prefers bright indirect light, enough to bring out and maintain the white variegation, but not so intense that it burns the leaves. Too little light and the white will fade, too much and the leaves can scorch. It walks that delicate balance like a tightrope artist. Soil should be well draining, chunky, and airy. Think orchid bark, perlite, and high-quality potting mix. Water when the top inch or two of the soils feel dry, and avoid letting it sit in soggy conditions. Overwatering is the most common mistake with this beauty. It thrives best in moderate to high humidity. Around 60% or more is ideal to avoid browning on those precious white patches. A balanced, diluted fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season helps maintain vibrant growth, though you want to go easy. Too much nitrogen can cause a plant to revert to green, reducing variegation. Be warned, Philodendron White Princess is not pet safe. Like many aroids, it should be kept away from animals and small children, but for plant collectors, rare foliage hunters, and indoor jungle curators, this plant is a true show masterpiece. In your home, White Princess instantly elevates the mood. It's the kind of plant that turns a corner into spotlight, a shelf into a gallery. Whether paired with dark foliage philodendrons, trailing pothos, or creamy marble queens, it becomes a visual anchor of any space. If you're patient, attentive, and have a bright spot to spare, Philodendron White Princess can reward you with one of the most visually dramatic and emotionally satisfying plants you'll ever grow. Every new leaf feels like winning the lottery. In the world of indoor gardening, that's magic worth waiting for. That wraps up today's plant profile. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy gardening.